Since working from home has become common for so many people, many new products have emerged that have tried to make your work life easier at home. While portable monitors are not exactly one of the latest innovative products, their portability and ease of use can solve a lot of the user's pain points. So now, you don't really have to settle for a heavy monitor in your small room. A portable monitor can be a better option in a lot of scenarios. So today, we bring you guys the latest portable monitor from the brand Arzopa, the Arzopa A1 Gamut Slim. The A1 Gamut series has been pretty popular in recent years, including its 15.6-inch versions and 13-inch mini variants. Apart from a full HD standard resolution, the 13-inch mini version even offers 2K resolution as an option. But personally, I think the slim version has better value for money, and it could even be a great option for those who are looking to have a second or third monitor, whether it's for your laptop, smartphone, or game consoles like a Switch. The A1 Gamut Slim features a 14-inch Full HD IPS display with a 60Hz refresh rate. The Slim version gets a slightly upgraded contrast ratio from 1000:1 to 1200:1. The IPS panel supports a wide 178-degree viewing angle, which visually gives a pretty decent color contrast under 72% NTSC color gamut. Apart from the NTSC gamut, the monitor also offers sRGB, DCI-P3, Adobe, and the native gamut in OCD menu for options. The brightness can reach up to 320 candela per square meter, which is slightly better than most portable monitors that we have used before. But at the same time, HDR mode is available in the OSD menu. During our experience, we could obviously see the difference of the HDR output, but the actual effect isn't as good as what we saw on many smartphones' OLED displays. In actual use, it could deliver pretty good detail and colors under different visual modes. The blur and ghosting issues were not as serious as we thought it would be, and most of the time, it provided a fast response without lags or perceivable latency. Now let's check out what's in the product box and what the Slim monitor provides for connectivity. The first item we found was a user manual in different languages, which looks pretty detailed for those who are using it for the first time. Well, it's good to see that all three cables are made available for different connectivity options. This includes a Type-C to Type-C cable for full feature use, a Type-C to Type-A cable that is used for power supply, and another mini HDMI to HDMI cable for video signal input. In addition to the power cable, there is also a piece of cleaning cloth and a common power brick included inside the accessories kit. And now, let's look at the portable monitor. Just as it claims, the monitor is slim and lightweight, even with the attached protective cover. On the left side, there's a power button, 3.5mm audio output, and another scrolling button for the OSD operations. On the other side, it offers a mini HDMI port and a full-featured USB Type-C port for receiving audio, video signals, and power connection, and another Type-C port only for power supply. At the same time, just know that the monitor doesn't have a built-in battery, which means a wired power supply is necessary. So let's find out how it works. First, if you're going to use it as a monitor for a device with full function Type-C port, all you need to do is connect the monitor directly with the included Type-C cable. While transferring audio and video signals, it can also output the power supplied from the device. Such a full function Type-C port is now available on most new laptops, so just make sure that your laptop supports the most convenient connectivity. If you were planning to project the content from your phone, a single cable connection would still work, but at the same time, the monitor might quickly drain your phone's power. Note that different devices support different power output solutions, and some of them may be too low to consistently power the monitor. So in this case, it's better to connect the monitor with the included power kit. When connected to the external power, we found that the monitor surprisingly reverse charged the phone during projection. When connected to a switch, it could also supply power to both the monitor and the console. For those devices without the Type-C port for video output, such as TV box, PC, or older game consoles, the A1 Gamut monitor offers another connectivity options with a mini HDMI port. But then, the external power supply is necessary through the Type-C power port. So in short, it comes with a wide support for different devices like phones, laptops, PCs, or even game consoles like the Switch and PS4. More specifically, it could even be used as a second portable screen for gaming, or just a duplicate display for entertainment or even learning from your mobile devices. It could even be an extended display for your PC or laptop and help make your work from home experience more efficient. This is why we think it's an excellent accessory. If you're interested in the A1 Gamut Slim or other models of the series, you can check out more information down below the video. Or if you have any questions about the monitor, please let us know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. This is Sean from Gizmochina, and we'll see you soon.